How to sign up to Scotiabank mobile banking application. So if you want to sign up for the online banking registration on Scotiabank, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you've installed the Scotiabank application. Once you have the application, you just need to simply tap and open it up. Once you open the application, you need to tap on sign in, which is on the bottom. And here you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply tap on activate now, which is on the bottom of your screen. Tap on activate and it will take you to the activate online banking option. Now here you need to set up your username and password. So go with your debit card, go with your card like credit card, debit card, investment, line of credit, mortgage, loan, Scotia, line for students, Scotia iTrade, and all of the other options. So I'll just simply go with the debit card section. And once you choose the debit card, you need to enter your debit card number. Once you enter your debit card number, you can go with continue. And after that, you might have to verify. You need to enter your social security number and your address and everything, or your taxpayer identification number. And if it's your business account or corporate account, bank would also ask you to verify a last few transactions that you might have carried out. After that, you will enter a few details about yourself and you will send a one-time password to either to your phone number and then your email address. So you just need to simply go and enter that code or one-time password, and after that you will create your user ID and then password and your account will be created. So that's how you can create or register to your Scotia online banking. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.